250 years we've come, through every rising and setting sun, with hope in heart and dreams held high, together reaching for the sky. We've learned, we've grown, we've found our way, building tomorrow from yesterday. Let's celebrate 250 years of freedom, hope through joy and cheers, of unity, courage, and the American spirit. A story the whole world can hear and inherit. Hand in hand, we'll proudly stand for the future of our beloved land. Here's to the journey, strong and true. America, we celebrate you. Through every challenge, every stride, we stood together side by side. Different voices come and dream, stronger together than we seem. Let's decorate a cake today, sing our songs and laugh and play, share a smile with family and friends, celebrating the journey that never ends. Let's celebrate. Through every challenge, every stride, we stood together side by